Once upon a time, there was a Silat warrior who was gallant and virtuous with noble character named Si Rawing. He got the great skill from a teacher named Ki Debling. After years of studying with him, now was the time for Si Rawing to split up to carry out the mission. Teacher, I say goodbye to look for my sister and mother, and want to have restless residence due to the robber's action, said Si Rawing.
Okay, Rawing. I hope your journey will be successful. Remember to always do good. God with you.
Ki Debling prayed for him. Then Si Rawing traveled from village to village and even the city. One day, he heard a commotion and people were running away to save themselves. What's going on, sir? Si Rawing asked the resident. The resident replied, Si Jalas gang are robbing again. Let's run! Run! But instead of running away, Si Rawing deliberately looks for where the robbers were in action. The Si Jalak's robber gang was surprised by the arrival of Si Rawing. Hey! Who are you? How dare you come here? Si Jalak snapped. I'm Si Rawing. I come to order you to return the resident property you broke and make compensation. Si Jalak glared at Si Rawing. How presumptuous you are! Beat him! Then there was a fight. Si Rawing against Si Jalak's gang. Punches, kicks, blocks, evasion occurred one after another on very highly skilled silat moves. It turns out that Si Rawing martial arts skill was far more advanced than that. It didn't take long minutes for Si Jalak and his men to be defeated by Si Rawing. Slap! Slap! Out! Boom! Everyone go back! This young man is too strong! Run away! Si Jalak and his men ran helter-skelter. Si Rawing was welcomed by the residents he had rescued. Meanwhile, Si Jalak reported to the chief robber of Mount Manglaya, who was known to be very cruel. His name was Ki Bewok. He was very angry. A young man managed to thwart the robbery of his men. How sexy Si Rawing is. My son, come back! Finally, who he is? Catch and hold him here! Si Gempar, Ki Bewok's son, was excited to catch Si Rawing. Alright, Daddy, I'll catch him for you. Si Gempar and his men soon set off. After finding Si Rawing, there was another big fight. But in the end, Si Rawing and his men lied down too. Si Rawing said loudly, Hey, Manglaya mountain robbers, tell Ki Bewok that I am Si Rawing with real name Dad, the son of the head of Kahuripan village Ricardo, who was killed by Ki Bewok 20 years ago. The defeat of Si Gempar and his loyal men shocked Ki Bewok. He became restless and furious. Oh, it turns out he is Ricardo's son. I have to stop him before his revenge is event. Then Kibewok jumped in to intercept Sirawing. Sure enough, Sirawing was climbing Mount Manglayang to destroy Kibewok's nest. Before arriving, he was intercepted. Ha 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 ha! Rawing, you can never revenge. I'll kill you first. Sirawing replied angrily too. Hey, my father's killer. Return my sister and mother. I threw away them, Rawing. Maybe they've died too. Ha 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 ha. Breast, you are really, really cruel, Bewok. Chia! Then there was super intense fight. Sirawing against Kibewok. Several times, the powerful attacks and defenses occurred between them. However, when Sirawing had the opportunity to hit Kibewok's heart, a secret attack in the form of Kibewok poison powder weapon hit his face. Whoosh! Oh, so, I can see! And Kibewok hard kick hit Sirawing's body, so that he was sent flying into a ravine. Slap! Ah! Sirawing was thrown into a ravine. Luckily, there was river underneath, and Sirawing's body fell into it. Boom! Splash! In a fainting state, Sirawing drifted away. After several hours, Sirawing woke up and looked around. He was already in a quiet, comfortable hut, and it seemed a girl and grandmother. Huh? Why am I here? Who are you? The girl replied, I found you unconscious on the bank of the river, then brought here with the help of my teacher, Grandma Suari. We tried to heal your wounds. My name is Kartika, the daughter of Mr. Wikarta and Mrs. Ningsi, the victim of Kibewok. Sirawing was surprised. Is that true? Yes, that's right. Oh, that's mean you are my sister I'm looking for.